as the glue is drying, probably need about 2 or 3 minutes. Here's the patch. The patch has 2 protected ends. One end has a split end. We don't want our dirty fingers to contact the clean surface. So here's a trick. Peel it. As you peel it, hold on to the clean surface. Use the clean surfaces, grab the edge, peel the other end off with minimal touching of the nice clean surface. Using the nice clean surface, install the patch across the injury. Once you've done that, take your roller and roll it from the center out in as many directions as you can. We're trying to make sure that any air that is between these 2 surfaces gets pushed out. And then I will always say this, once you've got that sorted out like this, pizza roll it, 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 roll it in different directions. And I always say that once you think you've rolled it enough, roll it some more. Moderate pressure, different directions to ensure that we are nice and tight. Voila. Next step is dismount it from the repair center, install it on the tire, inflate it, check for leaks.